Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. I'm at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. And you'll see here I put in your URL, came down here to your heading tags, and right now you're telling Google that your site's about Welcome to Mr. Arbor Tree Services or Mr. Arbor. Obviously that's not what your site's about. So you really want instead to add something that's using your keyword, and just to show you where you'd put it on your website, you would put it like either right here or even up here and move this over. Basically, you want it to be the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. The metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one here for Marin County Tree Service. So all these blue lines here, those are the metadata. You can see that the top guy is talking about Marin County Tree Services, and that's why they're at the top position. When we pull yours, you were only, I think I found you on page 3 in Google for Marin County Tree Service. So right now, if you look at your metadata, you're actually telling Google that you're a tree care arborist. So I bet you if you Googled that exact phrase, tree care arborist, you'd be at the top spot, or at least one of the top 2 or 3. Because that's what you're telling Google what you're about. So if somebody were to Google that, you'd be at the top, but obviously nobody's going to Google that because they don't know to Google that when they're looking for tree care. They're going to Google something like Marin County Arborist or Marin County Tree Specialist or a similar keyword. Those are just a couple things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help you rank. And then also if you ever want to check your rank, don't go to Google and keep Googling yourself, because as the weeks go by, you keep checking the same, like Marin County Tree Service, and slowly Google's going to start moving that up because they already know what you're looking for. So instead, you really want to use a third-party tool, and I actually use Rank Tracker. You can get a free subscription if you'd like for a month. Anyways, I put in your URL here and I added your keywords, and you can see this will actually check your rank. It'll pull your rank and it'll check it every single day. So I have it pulled up and you can see that you're actually really ranking on page 5 to like page 8 right now for your keywords. And that will change super fast once you add your H1 and metadata based on whatever your main keyword is. And then on your website, I noticed also that you do things like emergency services. We can help you with things like that too. We can fix your website, make it a little bit more appealing, even though it does look nice. But more importantly, we can get you ranked on the first page of Google, which can most likely double your income. And because that's where traffic is. I mean, 90% of traffic is on the first page. People just don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I don't. If you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time and I wish you success.